Hey guys, check this out. This is the No Rinse Waterless Foaming Pet Shampoo for Dogs from the Fuller Brush Company. It is so easy to use. It has a fresh, clean fragrance, no parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, and it's made in the USA. You can clean, condition, and moisturize your dog's coat without any rinsing. So not every dog likes water, and I like to freshen up Mocha's coat between groomings. This is fantastic for that. It's so quick and easy. It pumps out, foams up, and you can give them a nice massage. So after you get them all nice and foamed up and clean, you can dry them off with a towel and brush them out. So there you go. She looks amazing. She smells amazing. Check it out for yourself. The Fuller Brush Company. No Rinse Waterless Foaming Shampoo for Dogs.